Good morning, students. So in this demonstration video I will explain you how to register yourself on the portal of employability skills using the portal which is given here in the address bar. The link of this portal will be given in the description of the video. So first step is you need to open the portal. It will ask you the email. You can specify your email ID, like for example I am giving my own email ID, right? So I want to register here as a student, so I will be clicking here as a student. Now once I click on the as a student, I need to fill this form. So I am typing here India, right? State, here I am typing New Delhi, suppose, or you can type here Delhi. Then district, you have to type north, west. Once you click on the school name, your school name will come here. Now here you need to give the password, any password which you will be using to open this portal. So I am typing here any password, random password, and the same password I am typing again. And then you need to click on this option, I hereby accept EULA and privacy policy. Once you click on submit, it will show you this message that your email has been registered and a verification mail has been sent to your email. So now next step is you need to open your email, right, for opening the registration. So this is my email inbox and they have already given me this registration mail, verification mail. Now I will click on verify email. Once I click on verify email, it will again take me to the same portal. Now the portal is coming here on the screen, right? So here you need to click on login to LearnWise. Now when you click on login to LearnWise, it will take you to the next step whereby it will ask you few information from you. This will take some time depending upon your net speed. Now again it will ask you for the email ID. So I am once again giving my email ID which I have given here right in the beginning, and then I click on next. Then again it is asking me password, so I am putting the same password which I used it as the login, right, during the starting. Now this will give you this message that this website is using cookies, so you click on submit. Now once you click on submit, you need to choose English as your main language. You need to give your full name, so I am giving here, suppose, my name Jyotsna Verma, right? And you can give your phone number, right? So you can give your phone number from where you can access your portal. It is asking you university ID or employee ID, so you can enter your admission number here, whatever admission number you have. Now after this it will ask you year of graduation, so you can write here 2022, and gender, so you can write female or male, right? Year of graduation you should write 2023. Stream you can choose here general, right, and others. So since you all are in class 10th, you are not from engineering, management, art, science, so you have to choose others, right? Now once you click on here, it will ask you, you can also use here general, and you need to click on submit. Now once you submit, you have to enter the batch ID, right? So the batch ID is already given here on the group, so you people have to join from the batch ID. I am giving here the batch ID of 10th G, suppose, right? So you have to enter the batch ID like I am typing here, so 84AFC. So once you do it, you need to click on join. If you have done some typing mistake in putting your batch code, it will give you an error. So you have to check whether your batch code is correct or not. So once I have done it, just see I have joined this course. Now are you sure you want to join this batch? So click on yes. So once you click on yes, it is asking you please select the specific reason for joining the course. So just click on the second option, want to learn and improve my skills. Now once you do it, it will show you this, right? So you can begin your course after this. Now how will you begin your course? Just click on courses, and the moment you click on courses, you can go to dashboard. Here you will find the courses which you have enrolled, and you need to click on the course. Once you click on the course, so you can click on start. The moment you click on start, just see session 1 communication, unit 1 communication skills is there, right? So you can click on watch, so you can watch the video. Once your video is done, go back, and then you can click on session 2, think, then collaborate, then do, then explore. Likewise, you have to complete all the units from unit 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I hope you have understood that how you people have to register on this online portal. Thank you very much.